Hello everybody, this is Shannon with yjfoam.com. Hey, I wanted to post a quick video as we've been rebuilding and working on our website and changing some things, and I wanted to share this with you, a quick short video to show you guys some of the new details of it. And I believe if you hang tight, we'll get to the shop, and that's where really the surprise will be for people that are looking for how to create their own foam and wanting to truly use the formula and equations at their own facilities. For the people that are wanting to create a factory or other types of inquiries like machinery, some of the cutting machines or the grinding machines that are used, along with the formula boxes that we create. This is a contact form. You can send us an email or use our WhatsApp and send a message, and it's the easiest way for that. But what really I wanted to really make this video and show everybody was the shop, and we've listed all of our current densities, and you can buy them single one at a time, or you can buy all 10. And the reason why I'm excited about this is because we've actually are offering these at a price that allows people to actually be able to afford it and be able to create their own brand. And therefore I wanted to get that out. But what you see here is if you were to buy all 10, just like it states, you would get 10 PDFs, each PDF specifically for that density. You would also get 10 videos, each specifically for mixing, measuring, and creating that specific density of formula. The same thing if you buy a single density, you will get a detailed step-by-step PDF that tells you everything you need and everything you need to know on how to create this. So as long as you have a facility, as long as you have a box to create your formula in, then these products would work well for you. But we wanted to share it because it's at a unique price, and we want to make sure people know that we're doing our part to help you in any way we can so that you can create and become your own foam business. So thank you for watching.